Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and that is Olympus Mons, and today I'll come with another video about the solution of Hitapp at the UHRS. We're all working on that. So the Hitapp is this one. It is an add type of Hitapp. So is the web page useful? TA LP. So this one is Hitapp. So let's start with the solutions. Okay, let's open the first line. That's a picture. That's actually a screenshot taken when I was doing qualification test. Okay, so first is what's the query? That's Volkswagen van, and you can see this the web page about use Volkswagen van for sale near me, and so obviously that would be useful. So click yes, first option. So you can see this, it is correct. Okay, so next it is a Chase credit card. Okay, so it's also correct, and the web page is not yet loaded. Okay, but it is correct, so let's click the yes, first option. Okay, so let's go to next. Okay, next is Amazon Prime video login. As you can see, this the web page is about Amazon. Actually, it's an Amazon page, so obviously it's useful to the user. So click yes. Okay. No, sorry, it's not no. So it is a page. This query is about a login sign in. So it is no. Click no, not yes first. Sorry, I was wrong. So it is correct. So click on the second option. No, it's not useful to the query because the person is having query wants to go to login video login. It's showing some different products on the Amazon. Okay, next. So jet flights US Europe, and I was incorrect in that, so click on no. So that is second option. I clicked on first option, that is yes, so I got wrong answer. So click on no, that is second option. Okay, for this option, jet flights US Europe. That's next. It's about Guy Laroche. I was absolutely wrong in this also, so click on first option, right? That is yes for this query, that is Guy Laroche. Click on the first option. Okay, let's go to the next picture. I was correct in this. The queries are IRA distributions considered income, and Ameritrade is the website page, and that is absolutely useful. That's really useful to the user. So it is correct, so click on the first option. Okay, yes. Okay, second, it is the Alpine hardware premium solid Euro style bar handle pole, and I was also correct, and so it's one of the merchant store that is selling this equipment, that is selling this thing that is user wants to know. So click on yes. Okay, next is ECR. So ECR, that's correct. No, click on no. You can see this. You are correct, but so click on no. It is not useful. This page is not actually useful to the user. Okay, next, it's about Leno Christmas plate sale, and I was correct. So click no. It is not about plate sales, and it's something about another website. So it is not useful to the user. So click on no. Okay. Next, it is about LP kit NN3. I was correct. No, it is not useful. It's some other kit is shown in this web page. So Granger and some other kit. So do not click on yes. Click on no. Okay. Next, it's about Evergreen State Sheet Metal INC. So it's talking about some corporation that is selling this sheet metal. It is showing Granger again. So yes, I was wrong in this. So click on no, not, and yes, it is not. Okay. Next, it's a free play games. I was wrong. So click on no, right? So free play games, no. Click on BMW 320. So again, I was right in this. So click on yes. BMW 320i. It's yes. Okay. So my is an expense login, that is also correct, so let's click on yes. Okay, so Disney World Dolphin Huddle, let's click on yes, correct. Okay, so that's all about this. Okay, thanks a lot.